Oh my goodness. This can turn out to be expensive. Bargain World Disney, 50% off. Uh-oh. Man, it must be my lucky day. I don't have Renee with me, although it's probably gonna be her lucky day. Let me get her that I'm talking mug. You know, or maybe you don't know. Oh, I guess we'll have to go in and find out because, whoo, number one, I'm sweating, and number two, everything I see just keeps getting better and better. All customers must wear a mask. All right, I guess mask it is. See, man, good thing. Good thing I brought the mask. Gonna need it everywhere. Says it right there. Check your mask at the door. I wouldn't make it up. Check your mask at the door. I don't know. When can we go back to the real normal people? Under my own strength sometimes. Hello. Plus we'll take a run around and then we'll close in on what we're getting for Renee. She's definitely getting a mug. I could definitely drop that in the car quick. Maybe this young man can help me over here. I'm looking for a mouse mask. Any mouse masks?
We don't have masks, we have little bandanas.
Oh, I'm getting closer at least, man. I'm telling you, the mouse got a lockdown on the mask. Oh, I have, yeah, I see him down there.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah, yep. She has that in her repertoire already.
I have like these other little kid ones. Like I do have this one.
Oh, wait a minute. It's a mouse mask. It qualifies.
These are like
oh, the cuffs?
Yeah, these are like the scarves kind of. But that one's a mask. So.
Ding 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 ding.
Is that what you're looking for?
Well, it's a good substitute if I don't find a just Minnie Mouse mask.
Yeah, close enough.
You know what I mean? Yep. So you're not really you have masks at the door, but I mean, is it a liberal policy for those that that don't enjoy wearing them while they're in the store?
I have mine here.
I'm with you, man. I have mine here. I think we're in agreement on this then. I will take the mask, sir.
All right.
Awesome. You know, the mouse mask of any type, you should push those up front really hard. None of the stores have them, and they went as far as telling me you can't get that anywhere. They won't do that.
They don't do that?
Yep.
Oh, I don't know.
That's what I said. It's like, I'm a long-time Orlando visitor, and
57? Right,
I don't think there's anything I haven't found here in the neighborhood.
That doesn't have Mickey Mouse on it? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can find anything.
Yeah.
You want a bag for this?
You know what? No, I don't want to add to the plastic count.
No problem.
I appreciate it, though.
But yeah, there's no way you can't find anything without Mickey Mouse on it.
Look, even you didn't think so, and then you're like,
yeah, and I was like,
if you want to get rid of that for me, I won't be returning it. Thank you so much, man.
Have a great day, man.
Thank you. You too, bro. Have a good one. We have accomplished mission 1. I got a mask. Bargains. Oh, wait a minute. Dude, you got me so excited. There was one other thing that I definitely have to have. See that? Sometimes you get sidetracked. You sidetrack yourself. Oh, yeah.
Mug?
I actually said no matter what, even if I don't find a mask, I'll take the mug.
All right, I got you. I'm gonna wrap this up for you.
Yeah, that one I guess so, now that I'm thinking about it. I saved one bag. People get so touchy when it comes to the whole bag thing, you know, so I like to help. Actually, that pretty much solves everything we need here in the neighborhood. Oh my God. See what it pays to cross the road? Why'd the chicken cross the road? There's a better deal on the other side. Now, I do have to thank the Sky Wheel for their free parking. That enables me to roam the area. So bravo to you, Orlando. I guess you got the right idea. Just get us here in the neighborhood and then we will shop.
All right, 1064 is going to be your total. You can go ahead and insert.
In education, people don't understand certain things about our history. That's one thing that we can continue to work on. That way everybody has a better understanding of what's going on in the world.
And Chris Paul.
Voter suppression is real. Until we get the right people in these certain seats to make these decisions.
All right, and you don't want this one either?
No. There'll be no returns. All sales are final today, sir.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You too. Have a great day. Tell me, how's business been? Getting better?
A little bit, but still slow. You know?
Yeah. See, man, you guys need to come up here to Orlando. There's no reason to hide anymore.
Yeah.
Have a good one, bro.
You too.
All right, off we go. Reenie's in the bag. Ha! You know I love a good pun. Reenie's in the bag. There's no way she can get mad at me today. I come bearing gifts. I got special masks. I got special teacup. Oh, all right. So next on the agenda, and this is why I come up here first, simply because you can't beat the deals. See, bar's open, everybody's hanging out. Ain't nobody got problems. This is what we need to see. Everybody needs to get back out. This is Orlando. If things are this good over here in Orlando, wherever you're at, you should definitely be out already. There's no doubt about it. The Peaks! The Twin Peaks Mall that has the greatest bargain store ever. Bargain World. Look, man, we're gonna go over to House of the Mouse. I'm gonna show you a mug that's similar. Oh my God. You know, I was real curious about renting these things, man. This would be an awesome way to get around the neighborhood. And I don't know if this is somebody's or these are parked, but ooh, I should look it up. I should look it up, but I got the car with me, so let's head over to the House of the Mouse. We will make our next journey to Disney Springs. Over at Disney Springs, we'll see what's going on. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna need my mask. Maybe I'll find a good deal. I doubt as good as this deal on a mouse mask, but I tell you what, if I find an all mini style mask, then I'll buy that for her and I'll keep the Goofy thing for me. It's got them all on there, Mickey, Goofy, the whole crew, but if I can't find anything better, then I'll get her that. I will give her that. So it's not a substitute, it's the original one, it's the really good one, but if I find an even better one, well then, you know, I'll get you the even better one. But all right, that's the plan. You know what, I'm just gonna keep going this way. We got the light this way, I guess we'll go this way. Yeah, this place is beautiful, man. Look, I don't even know if that bird is real or what. Check it out, man. What do you think, real or not? He hasn't blinked in a second. I think that's a real bird, man. Bird, are you real? No. Oh, faked me out. Bird is fake. Perfect. He looks just like the real ones that we have here. Okay, I'm not gonna cross the road. Chicken ain't gonna make it this time. We'll take the light on this side. Okay, all right, that's it. Going back to the car, and we ain't waiting for the light. I usually do wait for the light, and all you young kids out there always cross with the light, never against. But we're good. I'll wait for the second half, and let's jump in the car. We'll get over to Disney Springs, and let us see. Oh, see, they're for usage, man. They just leave them scooters out here, and they're for you to check it out and use. I have one more stop before we get to House of the Mouse. You see, there is an amazing Brazilian community here in Orlando, and I was told by a friend of mine that there is this incredible bakery called Bel Gusto, and they have this coconut chocolate cake that I would absolutely kick myself in the behind if I don't come and try. So, before I waste all the rest of my day hanging out at the overpriced House of the Mouse, look, I found another place, man, it's closed. They got just as much junk as all the other places, but man, very mouse-centric. Yeah, they still ain't got a mask. My buddy at Discount City was better. Anyway, before I head over there and we share the rest of our day with those fine people, I'm gonna check out this bakery, see if it's as amazing as they say. I got a feeling they have a Maskimo sign on the door, but let's check it out. I heard Brazilian cookies, coconut chocolate cake, oh, mask, scarf, or something on your face. All right, man, give me a minute. You know me. If that's what they want, then that's what I'll do, but oh, it takes all the fun out of it. Uh-oh. That's copyright music, man. So it may go dark and I may put my own music in because, you know, no me gusto the musico. YouTube no me gusto musico. So, but we'll see. Oh man, delicious looking already, huh? What's not to like? First, I have to locate what. Oh, you see? Now I heard about these cookies, man. I knew there'd be a cookie deal. You tell me. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How you doing today? Wow, that is amazing. I don't know. Maybe I missed the rush. Oh, maybe it's in the cabinet or something. Question. I was told something about a chocolate coconut cake. Is that true?
I have this coconut here and chocolate.
Which one is that?
One second.
Haha. Oh, I think I see it from here. Check this out.
Which one do you want?
I was told that you guys have an awesome chocolate and coconut cake.
Yes, we do.
Oh, which one is that? I already like everything. Everything's chocolate and chocolate and chocolate and sprinkles and oh my goodness, I thought that was the one. Now, can I get a slice or do I have to buy the whole cake?
No, I can do it.
Oh, a slice please.
You want it here or to go?
To go.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I've come all the way from Tampa to try your cake.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am. I have a friend on Instagram that said, if you go to Orlando and you don't go and try the Brazilian chocolate coconut cake, that I will regret it. And I already thank you for your advice. It's unbelievable. Just everything here is so beautiful. Truffles. You know I have a hard time resisting truffles, but I think cappuccino. Oh my God. I remember that coconut candy. Okay, this particular coconut candy down here in the middle, I'm gonna have to get some of that. The last time I had that was when I was in Puerto Rico. I haven't seen it anywhere else. If you could see the look on my face, it would be a look of total surprise. See that? Oh, I think that's what I think it is. And if it is, then Reenie's getting that. This is why I always travel with a cooler. So you guys might be wondering, how are you gonna buy chocolate cake and upside down cake and keep it from going bad if you're going to hang out? Well, my friends, the secret is I always travel with a cooler. Yeah, you can't be caught with your guard down. You gotta have all the necessary tools when you're out playing the food game. Oh, awesome. Question. Is this a miniature pineapple upside down cake? I keep catching them off guard with everything. I just have too many questions. Everybody knows this about me, right? I'm in love with this place. I would most definitely come up here all the time. Yep. Yeah, I was wondering, what is this? Oh, it's like a flan? That'll do it then. All right, we'll pay for this and we'll get out of here.